You know that. It's on your
blog.
I wanted to make a T-shirt
yes.
that says Zuck Mark Fuckerberg.
But my favorite part of it is that it still says fuck. You know what I mean? Like,
You see, the shoe's on the other
Foot.
table, which is turned.
I just slept with Sean Parker.
Oh my God, dude! It's like Kingdom Hearts. Fucking
Crying to the camera.
crying.
The cry cam.
He missed.
Oh my God!
Missed his mark.
Sorry, I saw somebody in the audience I knew. I was trying to say hi. I should have waited till after the show.
Somebody out there is having a war flashback. PTSD.
In a good way. PTSD in a good way is just a memory.
What a revelation. Yo!
This guy looks like Princess Diana as a man.
The dad?
Him, right there.
He looks like Princess Diana.
Okay, listen, hear me out. If you...
There it is, like right there. Fuck my ass. No?
The little fucking girl.
No,
the little
dude.
fucking girl.
No,
with the
dude.
Goddamn spirit Halloween makeup on the bridge scared you. But
Yeah.
that fucking.
Fuck, ow. That little slap.
The archives. I need to see that.
God, I can't wait for them to fucking...
Why now?
I can't tell you that.
I'm just so excited for them to...
What's the matter?
But Marius fell in love immediately with the chick from Ted, too.
I know we're peaking life-wise. Holy shit. This has to be a dream. This has to be a dream.
Christmas isn't real.
No, dude. Oh,
This is terrifying.
this is insane.
Of your phones.
We know we're setting you loose out into the woods, but we're going to take away your ability to communicate. Fucking maggots? What the fuck is happening? What? He just...
Shit.
Oh, no.
That looks like it hurt.
Oh, he really is. Oh!
Holy shit!
Oh, my God!
Wait, are they all seeing people?
Clearly.
Oh! No! Spiders just come out of his mouth? Oh my God! Oh, I can't fucking believe it!